No.
Where are you running to,
okay.
Theo?
Just stop him. Just stop him.
Yo.
I mean, Parrot won't leave him.
Yo, guys, let's talk this out.
Yo, Parrot, come out or Theo dies. Yep, I see. He's up there. So I literally see him.
Yo, are you good?
Yeah, I'm good.
He is not good.
He's not good. Yo, Parrot, just come down here, bro. Literally, just come down here.
Theo.
Are you gonna let him get beat up, bro? Oh, he's trying to fight, but it's just not working.
Fine.
Okay. Good, here. I don't know. Just
Flame.
there.
What are you doing?
What do you mean, what am I doing, bro?
You gave away our location to Clown?
Yeah, because Colin's gonna tell me what happened to Wimbu, bro. And you're just sitting here, dude, not doing anything.
Oh my gosh. Dude, Flame, are you serious, bro?
Bro, what do you mean, dude? I heard what you were saying, bro, about me. You didn't think I heard that, did you? You were talking all that trash, bro. You were saying all that stuff about me, bro. Saying like I'm a bad person, all this stuff. Because what, bro? Because I have a goal, bro. You have a goal too. You want to save the server? But I want to just get a rematch against Wimbu, bro. We're just different, bro. But hey, bro.
Run it. Ooh. Run it. Yeah. Run it. I want it.
It's over now. Sorry.
So you really brought... And you trusted Clown that he would tell you what happened to Wembu?
Come on, aren't you gonna tell me, bro? Like, just tell me what happened to Wimbu?
You think I know what happened to Wembu? Come on, I've been in the Nether this whole time. How am I supposed to know?
Are you serious?
But I really do appreciate you leading me to them.
Whatever.
Bro, you actually just got played like a fiddle, dude. I can't even
Yeah,
lie.
and you're about to die, so it doesn't really matter to me.
Well, not yet, strictly. Actually, there is a couple things I need to know first. Oh, yeah. How about you stay in there, all right? Don't try to do anything funny, because you're not gonna last very long if I tell these guys to attack. There's actually no way that you thought you could have found my vault. You thought you could find my vault. What gives you that idea?
I mean,
You
we
think
got
you're
this
special,
far,
Parrot?
right?
Do you think you're special? Is that it?
Yo, give him some personal space, man.
So, you got any last words, Parrot?
I'm sorry, Flame. I low-key, like, while you left, I thought about, like, what I did. And it was kind of messed up, I can't lie. So, yeah. Sorry. So what now?
Well, that was very touching. But you two are gonna come with us now. I've got some questions that I need answered.
You're not taking him anywhere, bro. Because you're gonna have to go through me first.
Theo!
Yeah, just.
It's this way.
Yo,
you
you guys
could've
gotta
walked
go.
away
You
with
guys
your
gotta go
life,
to the
Flame.
vault. You guys gotta go to the vault. It's out there. You guys gotta go.
You could have walked away with your life, Flame, but no. Now you're just gonna die.
Here, go.
Was it worth it?
Yeah, and they're gonna go get your vault. So whatever.
Well, not if I have anything to say about it. But guys, all right. Don't do that. That's worrying, actually. So just kill him. All right.
Oh, he's leaving you guys. He thinks you guys can beat me, bro. Oh god.